Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to reset Brother DCP-T310 printer. Factory reset and error fix a step-by-step guide. Method 1. Perform a factory reset. Step 1. Open the reset menu. Turn on the Brother DCP-T310 printer. Press the menu button on the control panel. Use the up or down arrow buttons to select initial setup. Press OK. Select reset and press OK. Step 2. Choose a reset option. Use the arrow buttons to select the type of reset you want. Machine reset resets printer settings such as date and time. All settings restores all printer settings to factory defaults. Network reset available on network capable models only. Resets network settings. For a complete factory reset, select all settings and press OK. Step 3. Confirm the reset. Select reset when prompted. Press OK to confirm. Select yes to restart the printer. Wait for the printer to reboot automatically. Method 2. Power reset for minor errors. If the printer is frozen, displays an error, or is not responding, turn off the printer, unplug the power cable from the wall outlet, wait 2 to 3 minutes, plug the power cable back in, turn the printer on and check if the error is cleared. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.